Manchimalai village is situated nearly 100 kilometers away from Bangalore city. Manchimalai can be reached as soon as we reach the border of Tamil Nadu and take right towards Denkanikote and Anchitti Road. With a travel of 8 kilometers towards hilly region, there exists Chikkamanchi and Giriyapanuru village on the lap of Mother Earth, decorated with green mountains. However, this Manchimalai seems as if though it is joined with Hogenikal Falls and Kaveri Wild Forest. We can proudly find hundreds of Kannadigas even though Manchimalai is situated in Tamil Nadu. For the welfare of hundreds of villages, Lord Thimmappa, who is also called as Sri Venkateshwara Swami, has stood in this Manchimalai. Till today, villagers accept and follow their ancestors' statement that this Thimmappa temple was built by Bhishma and Drona from the times of Mahabharata. Even though there is less scope to their income and business in this area, innocent villagers offer their cultivated crops, cereals and vegetables to the god and then use it for their personal consumption. And this practice exists since long time. Devotees who are unable to afford to visit Tirupati kindly visit this temple and believe that this Giriyapanuru Thimmappa is the same as Tirupati Srinivasa. And they perform rituals like ear piercing, hair offering and varieties of puja to Lord Thimmappa. Hence, villagers have sincere wish to refurbish this temple of Lord Thimmappa, who has stood genuinely for the goodness of Giriyapanuru villagers. In the past, the temple was just a small cottage and now all the villagers together have spent 15 lakhs of rupees to construct half of the temple. However, they require 15 more lakhs of rupees to finish the construction of temple. Hence, the devotees and astikas are welcome to donate and help in finishing the construction of temple. This help will definitely make the dream come true of innocent villagers. Devotees and donors who also wish the above dream come true and wish to donate can kindly contact the telephone number mentioned below. Bhagavan Bhagavati Trust, registered, Mysore OT Road. Account number 2849 1010 17148. Canara Bank, Dattanagar Branch. IFSC code CNRB 0002849. Mysore 570025. People who also wish to know more about this temple can practically visit the temple and donate the materials which is necessary for the construction. However, the donations of people will definitely be considered by Lord Thimmappa. Jai Shriman Narayana.